Well, good morning, girls and boys. A wonderful happy Tuesday to you. I hope you're all well. Before you start, I want to show you what I found this morning. My pen has been chewed in two by my naughty dog. Can you believe it? He jumped on my chair, stole it off the table, and off he went. So I want to just warn you, when you're doing your crafts and you stop and you leave it out for just now, be careful that your pets or your little brothers or sisters can't get it and then destroy it, and then you are upset. So we've got to be careful what we do with our things. Right, so let's get straight on to it. Girls and boys, I went into my garden and I collected a whole lot of dry leaves and one or two pieces of bark I found under the tree. And that's what I'm going to ask you to do today. And what we're going to do then is we're going to make birds. Yes, birds from leaves. We're going to make a pile of birds, like a pile of leaves. So I like the shape of that one. I'm going to put it there. Maybe that one there. And I like this big brown one. I like its shape. I think I'm going to put it there. Just like that. Then I might change this one for the top and that one for there. Let's have a look what else I have. So now what we're going to do, girls and boys, I've put it there because that's the shape and the place I'd like it for my bird pile. Now again, I'm using this glue because I haven't managed to go get some more Pritt. My Pritt is finished. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this glue on the paper. You can see it's quite a runny glue. And I'm going to put my leaf down to dry over there. I'm going to let this little point where it came off the branch be up in the air. Okay. So what I'm going to do to let it glue, I'm going to put something heavy on it because this doesn't glue quickly. And I'll come back to you now as I glue the rest. There we go, girls and boys. So these are glued down now. Now I've had a look at my leaves. So what I'm going to do is that this big one at the bottom here is my big bird at the bottom of my bird pile. I'm going to draw a line straight down and 3 little toes for his feet there. And there's the other foot over there. Then what I'm going to do is this little leaf here that I've got. Can you see it? Is it focusing? I'm going to glue that on top of this bird for its wing, and these 3 long leaves at the bottom for its tail. So girls and boys, there's my big bird. There's its little wing with a little leaf, and there is its 3 leaves for its tail feathers. Now I'm going to take my black marker and I'm going to draw its eye over there. I don't want to press too hard because all the glue's still busy drying, and I'm going to use this little highlighter, put a dot there, and there's my first bird. But I want my bird to be on something, and so I've taken this piece of bark, the little piece that I found with the leaves, and I'm going to glue that on the bottom. There we go. So it looks, we don't want the bird to be standing in the air. So now it looks like our bird is on the bark. Now our next little bird, he is actually standing on this bird. So there's his legs, and now I want to press in the middle. There's his eye, and I think he's singing a song. There we go. This little one has got longer legs. There they come. And he's standing on his friend here. And now he's got a thin little wing. Can you see the little leaf up it there? And there's his eye. And the baby one on top, he gets a little eye there. And there's his little legs coming down. There we go. So now we have a pile of birds. What we've done is we've got a little piece of bark at the bottom. We chose 3 leaves. We've put the point part that came off where we found it pointy for its beak. So those points are its beak. We've made little dots for the eyes. We have a little piece of bark for the feet. We've got some nice leaves for this one's tail because he's the strong one holding up the whole bird pile. So boys and girls, I hope you like it, and you go and ask somebody to walk with you to look for leaves. Don't go out and about on your own. Make sure you stay safe and enjoy it. I can't wait to see your wonderful bird pile. Stay safe and God bless.